What you cooking, baby?
Deviled eggs.
How you expect to do that?
Well, first I started with some cold water. Now I'm going to put my 6 eggs in. Carefully.
How many do you bust?
9.
Oh, okay.
And you're going to turn it on to a medium-high heat. And you're going to wait for it to boil. Now that the water's been boiling for 10 minutes, I'm going to replace the boiling water with cold water until the eggs are cool enough to handle. Now that my eggs are cool, I'm just going to peel them.
Hey, that was pretty cool.
Thank you. The warmer they are, the easier they are to peel. Once you got them all peeled, you're going to start cutting them in half. Once you've got them all cut in half, you're just going to take the yolk and put it in your bowl. And set your egg white to the side. Now that all the egg yolks are in a bowl, we're going to start with some mayo. We're going to start with a 1/4 cup of mayo. A tablespoon of yellow mustard. Now we're going to do a tablespoon of sweet relish. Now I'm going to do some onion powder. And this, I'm not going to measure it, I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit for flavor. And I'm going to take my fork and I'm going to mix it all together. And now that we got it all mixed up, we're going to go ahead and start filling our eggs. Alright, now that we got all our eggs full, we're going to sprinkle it with paprika, just as much as you like.
That looks really good. If y'all want, subscribe to see what else we're cooking.